Today we have something newer. This is a customer's Nintendo Switch and it doesn't have any TV image. So if I put it inside the dock, it only charges, but there's no video. So today we'll be fixing this and let's step right in. So first we're going to see how it's charging. And it seems to be charging alright. It charges from both sides and it charges at 15 volts. So to show you that it's not working, I have a dock here and I'm just going to slot it in. It should automatically switch to the Nintendo Switch. And it switched, but there's nothing. It's not getting an image. So the only thing left to do now is disassemble the Switch and fix the issue. So while disassembling, I found this sticker, which means it has been repaired before. This is probably a warranty sticker from a repair shop. I found this masking tape bit here. Then I looked at the back of the console and there's something funny going on with P13 right now. I see a jumper wire loosely put there between P13 and the filter, and I think the bit of tape is there to prevent this wire from touching the inside of the Switch, even though the inside of the Switch is not really conductive because it's made of plastic. So I have absolutely no idea what is going on here, or rather I don't know why. I have a feeling that previously P13 blew up and the trace got damaged and oh wait. Okay. There's no pad here. Amazing. So apparently what happened was they removed P13 and they lifted the pad, and so they just had to do this. I have a feeling that this wire has just come loose from here. So I don't really trust this P13 on here. Not anymore. I'm gonna see if the filter is good, but I'm probably gonna replace the USB port and P13 because I see some funny stuff going inside the USB port. Let's take a look at that. So I think the USB port is a little damaged. I see some lifted contacts on both sides. Like you can see that this one here is lifted. So there's some clear damage, and I'm going to replace both the port and P13. Right, so we have replaced P13 or Pi3, whatever you want to call it, and we had to run a jumper wire underneath the chip to replace the one that came off. We also replaced the USB port. Now I'm just gonna test the components a little bit, and I'm gonna bring out my multimeter, which you can see the value that it's reading on the screen. So I'm gonna test the wire that I run. And there's continuity. I'm gonna test the filter. So far so good. So yeah, now if I reassemble this, in theory, it should work. I have reassembled the switch enough just to test, and now it's gonna be the moment of truth. I'm gonna slot it into the dock and see if it works. There we go. So yeah, looks like we have successfully repaired the switch. Now I've just gotta test how fast it charges, and if it charges at full speed, 15 volts. 15 volts. This is looking very good as a Nintendo Switch fix. So if you learned something from the video or you liked it, please consider leaving a like. And if you want more content like this, please consider subscribing. I made a Twitter account. I don't know if you guys want to follow me there. Yeah, if I get enough people following me, I might consider, being more active over there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you're happy.